Hello and welcome to Owen's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing the Klarstein Captain Cook hob. Let's just do this. The hob itself has a scratch-proof crystal glass and high quality, easy to clean stainless steel housing and can be plugged in anywhere you need it to be. With this highly mobile hob you can basically cook outside if you'd like to enjoy a good day plus cooking. Now you get both. If you're tight for space in, for instance, a mobile home, this will do you perfectly as well, since it's so small and easy enough to fit in any space needed. So now you can enjoy a great day out when the weather's just right and cook at the same time.